Our 3 glass door stainless steel refrigerator. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 81 inches, a depth of 31 3/4 inches, and overall height with caster wheels, we have 82.5 inches tall. We have our right, middle, and left swing doors, and included will be 9 adjustable shelves. Please note that the shelves are not assembled for this video, but they will be included for this refrigerator. Each shelf can be adjusted to the desired height, 3 to the left, 3 in the middle, and 3 to the right. Each shelf will measure 23 inches in depth by 23.5 inches in length. Measurements apply for each of the 9 shelves included with this refrigerator. And again, please note, the shelves are not assembled, but they will be included with this purchase. Internal dimensions for the refrigerator will include 26 inches in depth from the back wall towards the front partition of the refrigerator. In overall height, we have 52 inches tall. 52 inches is from the floor towards the top partition of the refrigerator. And the overall length, left to right, we have 77 inches. Keys will also be provided for each of the 3 locks above. Located on the left, right middle, and right door column will be LED strips. And coming towards the back ceiling are the dual blow fans along with the drainage hose. Coming to the left interior wall will be the ETL certification along with the technical specifications for this refrigerator. Coming to the top will be your power and light switch along with the temperature controller for this refrigerator. Last but not least, this refrigerator will use the 110/120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.